Stop wondering. Stop guessing. What if you could peel back the curtain and see your credit score for every single month of the past year? Many people believe this kind of detailed financial snapshot is locked behind expensive paywalls. But today, that changes. We're about to show you how you can finally get a comprehensive monthly understanding of your credit scores from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, all without opening your wallet. Stay tuned, because the power to track your financial health in detail is closer and cheaper than you think. Now, when we say see every credit score from last year, let's be clear about what's realistically available for free. If you're hoping for a single button that magically downloads a year's worth of past monthly scores from each bureau without any prior setup, the honest answer is that most free services don't keep that specific month-by-month historical data for you retroactively. The major credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion offer fantastic free services to see your current credit score and report, often updated monthly or even daily. The reveal today is how you can use these free tools to start building that comprehensive year-long view yourself, and how to access all the free current information available to paint the clearest possible picture. So, while you might not instantly download a past year's data you weren't already tracking, you will learn how to see your scores monthly from now on and build that invaluable history yourself. Before we get to the how-to, let's briefly touch upon why this monthly insight is so valuable. Your credit score isn't static. It's a dynamic number that can change based on your financial activities. Tracking it monthly helps you understand the impact of your actions, like paying down debt or opening a new account. It helps you spot trends, identify potential errors on your credit report that might be dragging your score down, and monitor for suspicious activity or identity theft much sooner. This detailed view allows you to take proactive steps towards improving and maintaining a healthy credit profile, which is definitely helpful for accessing better loan terms, interest rates, and more. The foundation for seeing your credit score every month is using the free services offered directly by the three major credit bureaus. Keep in mind that while these services give you ongoing access to your score, they typically show your current score and recent changes, not a deep retroactive archive, unless you've been enrolled for that period. First, let's talk about Equifax. Equifax offers Equifax Core Credit, which provides a free monthly Equifax credit report and your VantageScore 3.0 credit score. You can enroll by creating a My Equifax account online. Once registered, you can log into your dashboard to see your current score. Next is Experian. Experian provides a free service that often includes your FICO score and allows you to track it. You can register on their website for an account to view your current score and receive updates or alerts on changes to your Experian credit report. This is an excellent way to keep an eye on your Experian data. And finally, TransUnion. TransUnion also offers free credit monitoring, which can provide daily access to your TransUnion credit report and your VantageScore 3.0 credit score. By signing up for a free account on the TransUnion website, you can monitor your score frequently. By signing up for these free services from each bureau, you'll get access to your credit score as they calculate it, using models like FICO or VantageScore. Remember, scores might differ slightly between bureaus because of different scoring models or the data they have at a particular time. Since the free services from the bureaus mainly give you your current score and report, the key to seeing your score every month from last year, or more accurately, for the next year and onwards, is proactive tracking. Once you've signed up for the free offerings from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, the next step is manual, but it's essential. Record your scores. Each month, make it a routine to log into each of your accounts. Note down the date and the credit score provided by each bureau. You can do this in a dedicated notebook, a spreadsheet on your computer, or a secure notes app. This simple habit will help you build your own comprehensive monthly credit score history over time. After a year of doing this, you will have precisely what we're talking about for that period: a complete, month-by-month record of your credit scores from all three major bureaus, all gathered for free. Beyond the direct bureau services, don't overlook other places you might find free credit score information. Many banks and credit card issuers now offer free credit score access as a perk to their customers. Often, these scores are updated monthly and displayed on your statement or within your online banking portal. Check with your financial institutions, as this can provide an additional data point, sometimes even with some historical trend data they've been tracking for you. It's also really important to mention annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website, authorized by federal law, where you can get your free credit reports, not scores, from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You are entitled to a free report from each bureau weekly. While these reports don't show your 3-digit credit score, they provide the detailed data your scores are based on. Reviewing these reports regularly is very useful for checking accuracy and disputing errors. For complete transparency, we should also mention that there are paid credit monitoring services, often offered by the bureaus themselves or third parties. These services typically have a monthly fee and may offer features like 3 bureau score tracking in one dashboard and, significantly, historical score archiving. If you've been subscribed to such a service, you might already have access to the past year's monthly scores. However, our focus today is on achieving comprehensive tracking without those recurring costs. So, how do you finally see every credit score from last year for free monthly reveal? The strategy is this. Understand that free services generally don't offer a deep retroactive monthly archive. Sign up for the free credit monitoring services offered by Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion to access your current scores. Diligently log in each month and manually record your scores from each bureau to build your own historical tracker. Supplement this by checking free scores offered by your banks or credit card companies and regularly reviewing your free credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. This proactive approach helps you gain that valuable monthly insight into your credit scores from all 3 major bureaus without paying subscription fees. You're building an invaluable asset for your financial future. If this guide has helped you understand how to take control of your credit score tracking, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more financial insights and tips. And if you have questions or your own methods for tracking your score, please share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Start today, and a year from now, you'll have that complete monthly picture.